Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Facebook no internet connection. So guys, when you open your Facebook and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, here you can see when I am clicking on reload, then I am facing this issue again and again. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So first of all, you need to go back and guys open your settings and here you need to click on Wi-Fi. And guys, after this, first of all you need to turn on Wi-Fi and connect your phone with internet connection. So guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, after opening Wi-Fi or mobile data, then guys simply you need to go back and open your Facebook and check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, you can see now my Facebook is working fine. So guys, here you can see. So guys, if your problem is still not fixed
يلا اسمع
and having this problem again and
تشهد
again, then
تشهد
guys, the second method is you need to open your settings, scroll down, and guys click on app management, click on app list, and guys here you need to find Facebook. And guys, after finding Facebook, so guys, you can see here you need to click on Facebook and click on storage and cache, and guys after this simply click on clear cache. And after doing this you need to update your Facebook. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store in your phone, and guys here you need to search Facebook, and after you need to click on Facebook, and here you will find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated this app. So guys, if you have any kind of update of Facebook, then you need to update from here. And guys, after doing this method, if still not fixed your problem, then the last method is you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on system, and click on reset phone. And guys, after this click on reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys, first of all here you need to select same one and click on reset, and after this select same two and click on reset. And guys, after doing reset network setting, all the problem will be fixed and you will be able to see all things, all videos, posts, or anything on Facebook. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.